The level of interoperability is really quite unique.
At Constanta Air Base in Romania, 3 of NATO's leading Air Force officers meet to mark 60 years of the Alliance's air policing mission. A Romanian Air Force MiG-21 soars into the skies above the Black Sea. The training sortie tests the interception of unidentified intruders in NATO airspace. Air policing missions led by Royal Air Force Typhoons launch within 15 minutes.
We spend most of the time sitting around waiting. When the alarm goes, the adrenaline goes up. There's always some apprehension. A lot of the time it's no notice, so you don't know what is coming as you're running to the aircraft. It's a bit of a cliche, but at that point the training takes over, and it's pretty autonomous. You run to the aircraft with the engineers. They're a well-trained pit crew, for want of a better phrase, and we're all. It's as quick as we can to get the aircraft started and ready to go to meet whatever threat is out there.
Constanta is in a region close to Russia and where tension is high. Little more than a week has passed since Russian planes reportedly dropped bombs as the Royal Navy's HMS Defender sailed through the Black Sea.
Our adversaries exploit our seams, and they exploit our legal, moral and ethical thresholds for response. That is why integration and interoperability is so critical.
Now, for the first time, RAF jets in Constanta are joined by German Eurofighters. What are Typhoons, by another name, are being tested here for 2 weeks.
Everybody knows resources is the most valuable thing, and it's always nice if we can share that. We can exchange experiences. Obviously the Brits have a lot more combat experience than we do in the recent years, and that's obviously nice to talk to those guys to see how the Typhoon, since it's the same aircraft, performs in actual combat.
We are the only Typhoon fleet on both sides, Typhoon and Eurofighter, which are interoperable, which try to work together. That British maintenance people is working on a German Eurofighter and vice versa. So we're looking in end of 22 and early 23 that we do a combined air policing not only for 2 weeks. So we're looking for a slot about 3 to 4 months doing combined air policing together.
You know, we're from the same part of the world. There are similarities that mean we get on quite well.
A declaration of intent with Romania signals the Luftwaffe's Black Sea commitment, and German-British joint missions could involve other air forces that fly Eurofighter. Germany is also considering fully integrated air policing with Spain and Italy. Rob Olver, Forces News, Constanta in Romania. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.